Thought I'd share this job for you. As you know, I'm a tree guy, but when I was looking for jobs, you can try to sell anything that you can, do with your equipment and what you have talents for. So this customer already took out a big tree right here, and I'm gonna be putting in an 11 by 32 foot crushed stone pad here for his camper. I'll block the plate so none of you guys on the internet do your weird things. I don't know what happens with that, but thought I'd bring you along for this here job. Be a long, boring process, but I'll show you what I'm doing. Right now I'm just going to skim the grass off, and then I'm going to dig a little bit further with dirt, and this side right over here is lower, and the pad is going to be built up a little bit off the grass, so all the excess dirt, some of it I already put right here, is on top of the stump hole, but all the excess dirt is going to come like in here on the side, because all the water in his yard kind of flows down this way, so it's going to kick it around the pad. But I'll show you what I'm doing. Just ripping the top out, and he said I could dump it over here, but I'll kill the camera for now and I'll update you in a little bit. Little update. Starting to I put all the grass over here in clumps, and then on this side I put all the dirt. Like I said, it kind of comes downhill towards this pad, so I'm just building up this side to get it to kick to the right away from the pad. But as you can see, I'm spreading it like this. Can't really see grade when you do stuff on the phone, but I'm about 8 inches deep on this side, and it kind of fades down to, on this side over here, like 4 inches deep, and I'm shooting for around 6 inches deep on the stone. So this side will be a little raised, the other side it'll kind of drop off a little bit over there, but this is what we're doing now. course, I got the bum wrist, so I'm kind of trying to do a little bit now, and then I'll do some stone, then I'll do a little bit later. But do what you can when you can. You gotta make that money. They don't make it easy, especially in the highest price state to live, Massachusetts. Thank you, Biden, and the rest of them. getting there. Look at that, I even laid out the sod a little better. Looks pretty crappy in the camera, but in all honesty, a little bit of a blurry-eyed looks great. It's just weeds over there. But I'll keep smoothing this and then roll it out one more time and I'll show you the final result. Next area. We're wrapping up here. She's looking great. It's 11 by, what is it? I don't know, I'll have to look into the stats again. A lot. 11 by a lot. It's 11 by 32, I believe. Well, that's a wrap. Nice and compacted. Higher on the left side with the dirt now. Fix the spot over there on the right. Off for another one. Gets it.